Welcome to the factory where perfect swirls are made.
It all begins with the finest raw ingredients.
The ingredients are mixed into a smooth and creamy base.
The base is transferred carefully for coloring.
Natural colors are added to create vibrant swirls. Colored mixture is loaded into precision swirl injectors. Bases move on the belt, ready for the swirl process. Injectors create flawless, perfectly shaped swirls.
Watch as the patterns form in a mesmerizing motion.
Gentle vibration ensures an even and smooth finish. Every swirl is carefully inspected for perfection.
The swirls move through a cooling tunnel to set perfectly.
Next, they head to the topping station for extra flair. A chocolate drizzle adds contrast and beauty to each swirl. Optional toppings like sprinkles or nuts enhance the look. Quality control ensures every swirl is flawless. The swirls are carefully packed into trays for delivery.
Shrink wrap seals each tray, keeping the swirls intact. Labels with product info and design are applied neatly.
The finished swirls are stacked for shipping.
Forklifts transport pallets efficiently within the factory. The swirls are now ready to be delivered worldwide.
Take a closer look at the perfect, mesmerizing swirl patterns.
And that's how perfect swirls are made, from factory to your hands.